in the market for a VW Transporter, sometimes we come across vehicles that are irreplaceable. This is one of those. Registered in 2021 on a 71 plate with just 13,000 miles. This T32 Highline bi-turbo, 204 brake horsepower, 5-seat VW Transporter is a VAT qualifying vehicle. It's plus VAT and it's a genuine urban works vehicle. It was bought as a registered car or transporter from Urban itself. We've got all the receipts, all the paperwork for it. It was £80,000 new. And when I say irreplaceable, that's the way it's been kept, the way it's been looked after, full service history, just 13,000 miles and one keeper from new. Bearing in mind it was bought as a registered vehicle. This is pretty special. It's in black, Urban bumpers front and rear, Urban light bar, Urban side decals, Urban 20-inch UC4 wheels, side loading electric doors both sides, detachable Towbar, 5 seats. It's got upgraded steering wheel from Urban, it's got upgraded leather interior from Urban. It's really special. You couldn't go out and buy another one if you tried, with 13,000 miles on, in the condition this is, and an unbelievable price. If you're in the market for one of these, get in touch, give me a call, drop me a WhatsApp. Right then, let's start with this. So VAT qualifying, the price is plus VAT, which is brilliant anyway. It's a T32, it's a Highline, and it's a Kombi, but it's also the 2-litre bi-turbo. That's 204 brake horsepower. Let's pick out some of these detailings. Urban Works inserts here. The wheels, the car's or Transporter is beautiful condition. These are the UC4 wheels. Got the Urban badges to the centre, all in a immaculate condition, 20-inch. Then walk with me around this way, because we've got the Urban Works front bumper with the LED light input here and the carbon fibre front splitter with the LED driving lights as well. Black VW badging, black grille. It's got adaptive cruise control, reversing camera, heated front seats. The steering wheel's amazing. And then we've got the Urban Works light bar, light pod on the roof, fully functional, with a switch inside the cab. But just look at the seat, look at the steering wheel. Captain's chairs to the front, DSG gearbox, Apple Android CarPlay, reverse camera, and heated front seat, heated screen. All these things are really nice features if you're going to use this to its true potential. Then, to the bottom of these doors, you'll see on the Urban Works vehicles, we've got the decal which runs along right and left, the sidebars, and then electric sliding doors right and left. You can see the way this vehicle's been kept just by the condition of the seats. Isofix points across the 3 rear seats. That's really important for somebody. But then we've got the Leighton floor mats as well. So anyone knows about VW, Leighton are the ones to convert these if you don't get your Urban. Along side by side, they're the 2 best companies. Privacy glass, Urban Works rear spoiler, and then again at the rear, we've got the rear bumper from Urban. We've got the tailpipe finishes from Urban. That's quad tailpipe, so there's 2 either side. Detachable tow bar. There we go. Obviously up and over tailgate, but then look at that. Anyone who's got hobbies, cycling, motocross, that is what this vehicle is for. It's a hobby vehicle with style. Loads of space in the back. Again, note the condition, and then note the carpeted interior, which goes through the full back section of the vehicle, including the LED lights. And then when we get to the front, what Urban have done with this particular car is they've done the Alcantara through the roof lining, just to make it that little bit more special to the front end of the cabin. So look at that. Like I say, anyone looking for one of these, this is really important. So we've got the Urban Works folder with the actual receipt for the vehicle, and everything's in place for you to get yourself a magnificent Transporter. So it's on the website now. Give me a call, drop me a WhatsApp. It's Richard. Any further information you need, let me know. It'll get snapped up really quickly. It's got to. Thanks for watching.